Hey everybody, today we are taking a look at 5 reasons why you should be using online and browser-based CAD software in your business. As a desktop-based software user myself for almost 20 years, I've really enjoyed exploring and learning about some of the newer online and browser-based software packages that are available to us as CAD users. I've outlined a few on the channel over the years, and today I want to highlight a bunch of the benefits of making that switch for you and for your company. In recent years, practically every software has moved online. Things like file storage, cloud computing, processing, chat, and more. And now recently, CAD and 3D modeling software has been making that jump, with almost every major software provider offering a cloud and browser-based option. Today, this video is sponsored by Solidworks and their new cloud-based X apps. This software has taken Solidworks online and to the browser. Their browser-based modeling software includes a full suite of design lifecycle apps that are perfect for professionals, startups, consultants, and anyone looking to take their SolidWorks online and on the go. I want to thank them for sponsoring the video, and now let's jump into some of the biggest reasons why I think you are going to want to make that switch. Alright, so in no specific order, the first reason is the minimal hardware requirements and improved mobility that goes along with any cloud or online-based software. Since we have the heavy lifting being done in the browser by the software servers, like the ones powering SolidWorks X apps, the need for the high-end laptops, PCs, or expensive GPUs is no longer required. I'm constantly surprised by just how well, say, SolidWorks or any of the other software run and work for me, regardless of the fact that they're completely browser-based. Things like being able to log in, even on a spotty internet connection, have been a breeze, and I've run into almost no issues. I've been able to continue working and get my designs finished whether I'm on the go working remotely, in an airport, camping over a Wi-Fi hotspot, or working from home away from the office. This change away from the standard desktop PC, like say the one I've got next to me here, hugely improves the portable ability for remote work, only needing or requiring smaller hardware. Things like the 15-inch workstation laptops are more than enough to get the job done now, instead of having to bring along either a high-powered workstation laptop like some of the larger 17-inch ones I've previously reviewed, which can be bulky, hard to carry, and use a lot of power. Being able to size down to the less expensive and more nimble and portable 15-inch, say, laptops has been a big difference, and getting away from that need to have the big PC and keyboard also saves a lot of space. Without the need for the aggressive hardware, you can do all of the same work on a much lighter, cheaper, and more portable laptop. Now, the second main reason that I've really enjoyed using some of these cloud softwares is the increased ability to collaborate and share your work on the go and at any time. Perhaps one of the biggest changes and challenges from traditional desktop-based CAD software is the fact that our files are all stored up in the cloud. This makes collaboration and sharing and review of our CAD files, design models, projects, and parts much more streamlined and simple. Simply sharing a link with another registered user allows them to view, edit, and comment and mark up your model, parts, and drawings. I've found this hugely cuts down on the overall time to get a design out, with no longer the need to, say, plot PDFs or send model files to reviewers or project managers that may not understand or completely have the software down. Being able to send them that link where they can quickly view, rotate, and mark up a model from their own browser without any additional software is a game changer and a huge time saver as well. The next reason why we should all be considering using cloud-based software like SolidWorks is the lack of setup time and install. Whether you're getting a fresh and new laptop or PC, you lost yours and you need a replacement, or anything in between, you'll notice instantly that the biggest difference going from desktop to cloud-based software is the lack of setup time. You can simply browse to the website, log in, and you're up and running. Simply opening that browser on any device and logging in gets you going without any setup time needed. There are almost no install or wait times. I've found using even slower devices, or like I mentioned earlier, hotspots on my phone for internet. As long as you can get internet, you'll be able to get into the software on the browser and access all of your files on the cloud. This makes it a perfect solution for remote and hybrid designers, since we can log in from practically anywhere without having to worry about setting up and maintaining annoying VPN servers, security systems, and more, as well as never having to worry about disconnections, network licenses, or, as mentioned previously, lugging around PCs or heavy workstations. I've been able to use this to my advantage, bringing a small laptop on vacation, signing into hotel Wi-Fi, and being able to open, update, and edit designs within minutes. All right, so the next benefit or reason why we should be switching to more online and cloud-based software is increased security and peace of mind. Having all our models stored on a cloud server provides quite a few benefits over traditional methods of saving locally. Obviously, when working remote or needing to use a VPN to access a server, can be difficult to get set up while working remotely. It can also be slow depending on the file sizes, internal traffic, and connection. Plus the added peace of mind that if the laptop we're using is ever stolen or taken or lost or broken, all of your files and projects are safe and sound on the cloud server. You can instantly access them again after getting a replacement or borrowing another laptop, even from a phone or tablet. Logging in on the new device will bring up all of these same files, models, and history that was stored on the cloud. Now imagine you're on a trip traveling for work and you lose a laptop while working remotely in another city or country. Being able to log in on any other laptop and continue working minutes later is invaluable, not only to your company, but also for the actual work and the files. Not having to worry about them being stolen or lost to someone that may have picked up that laptop is a great benefit. Now, lastly, and quite possibly the most important benefit and reason to make the switch is the lower cost requirements. Not only is cloud and browser-based software typically cheaper than the desktop full counterparts, but you're also saving a ton when it comes to hardware costs, no longer requiring the expensive large PCs, the bigger workstation laptops, or even the need for file network storage and security personnel and software. All of this is eliminated by going to the browser-based software. This is especially true for smaller firms, consultants, and kind of design builders, like say fabrication shops. Having to deal with hardware and network storage is a pain, especially when you're not in that type of business. Being able to do all of this on a laptop on the browser is a game changer. Making this switch is almost guaranteed to save you money as well as manpower hours required to keep, maintain, and set up traditional software. I think you guys are going to really enjoy working in cloud-based CAD software. I highly recommend trying it out. In particular, I've been using Solidworks X apps, which I've got a discounted code for you all to use. I'll put it up above and down below in the description for you to check out and get that discount when you're first signing up. I've really enjoyed everything about their software. In particular, their X Design app, which I've been using to create 3D models for quite a while now. I highly recommend checking them out. Their browser-based modeling, sculpting, and entire suite of design lifecycle apps are perfect for design professionals, startups, consultants, fabricators, and anyone looking to take SolidWorks online and on the go with them. If you'd like to learn more and get started, make sure you check out the link up above, down below in the description to get a discount for CAD intention viewers such as yourself. Thanks for watching, have a good one, and cheers.